There's the beetle. So what? What's this?
That's housefly. No, I'm not doing it.
And then, what came next?
The bee. Polka. Fly.
And what came next that hit the bee?
The dragonfly.
Good, right. And the dragonfly just said, "You're so mean, you shouldn't have done that." On the other side, which one joins them? What's that? What do you call it? Moss. What do you call this one? Rayan? Mosquito. But suddenly blown by the strong wind and fell on the ground. Which came next? What is this? True bugs. And what happened to the true bugs? The true bugs dropped its medicine kit to the wings of... Who's this? Firefly. Okay. And what came next? What's this that is hopping?
The grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Okay. Good job.